from Scientists while you sip on some suds. We've got Erilyn Heinrichsen and Laura Crotty-Alexander with us this morning. How are you?
We're great, thank you.
All right, now Erilyn, you are the event coordinator.
Right.
And this is all about learning from scientists like yourself and sipping on some suds. I love this idea. Who came up with this?
So there's actually a bunch of neuroscientists in the UK a couple years ago decided that they had all these programs that brought some patients into labs to learn about research, but they wanted to bring the scientists into the bars and be able to talk with people on a one-to-one basis about what they're doing in the labs.
Now, is that partly because like people are more confident to ask questions? You know, like they call it beer muscles, beer confidence. I don't know.
That's right. That's right. I mean, you know, I think it's a matter of we go to where the scientists want to go to where the people are. So
and
we want to go.
Scientists also want to go to bars.
Right. Exactly.
Yes.
I was just going to say you were awfully quick to grab that pint. Now, where's it going to be? And give us the details. I know it's tonight and tomorrow night. Right.
So we started out last night, and we have events tonight and tomorrow night. We're at La Jolla Brewing both nights. We're at Thorne Street tonight, Uptown Tavern tomorrow, and then 57 Degrees both nights as well.
All right. Now, you as a scientist, this is your first time presenting, right?
Yes.
So
very excited though.
What's going to happen? Like, what can we expect when we go there?
So I'm going to sit down and introduce myself, and I'm probably going to talk for a few minutes about e-cigarettes, because that's where my research focus is right now.
Okay.
E-cigarettes always bring out a lot of questions from the crowd. So I'll talk about them for a few minutes and then interact with the audience and try and answer any questions.
And are there different scientists at each one of these evenings?
Yeah, so each event is a completely different theme. So tonight we have different hot topics in our society, like e-cigs, antibiotic resistance, autism, and then, but meanwhile at a different venue, we have, gosh, what else is going on tonight? About technology in our automated age, so self-driving cars, that sort of thing. Tomorrow night we have...
Ooh, self-driving cars,
yeah,
I like it.
I know.
All right, now you brought up the e-cigs. Now, I guess I'll just ask you. I see reports that it's worse than actual cigarettes. Then I see other ones where they say absolutely not, it's safe. Who's right?
I think I've actually been cited in both sides of that question. I try and take a sort of moderate view and just pay attention to what the research is showing us. It definitely is going to cause disease over time. We just don't know which ones. One of the problems is people think that it's water vapor, and it's not water vapor at all. I brought a couple examples. So this is actually the liquid that you put in the device.
Right.
And it can look very clear, and then it gets heated to create an aerosol that people breathe in. And actually, this is what happens over being heated multiple times. The heat interacts with the chemicals and changes them and creates toxins.
Sort of activates that.
Yeah,
Oof,
and then you breathe in these toxins. So people are breathing in very concentrated chemicals, no water in there at all, just chemicals.
Can you take notes and stuff? Because if you drink too much beer, you're not going to remember any of this.
That is true. Maybe we should record it.
That's right. Well, we are trying to record some of the events.
That'll be so good. What a great idea. I mean, people will pay attention. They're going to be sitting there, they're going to be like this. Another, please. All right, guys, thank you so much for coming in.
Thank you for
And again,
having
that's
us.
tonight and tomorrow night. And give us the website one more time.
pintofscience.us.
There we go. Thanks, ladies.
Thank you.
All right, coming up on San Diego Living, get your home in better shape for